everybody. I am Jeshwadika.
Good morning to everybody. I am Triyambagan. And Janathana.
Today we are helping the God children
who don't have both eyes.
Nearby the Alagar Kovil, we are helping the who don't have two eyes. We are helping them. Whatever you also having, you can also help them.
And making them happy.
Like, share this video you like means share it, like it and subscribe it. Thank you.
Thank you.